I have a very bit. I have a very unexpected bit of content. My basement's flooding. Fuck. Oh, it only covers this entire side of the basement. You know, the one with all the expensive stuff on it. So, like, all of this is flooded. Oh, and it's flooded underneath the wall. Because that guy, I think that guy exploded and emptied its entire tank under there and tried to refill. Oh, did I mention that the power strip was on the floor? Oh, also that thing sits on the carpet, which is completely soaked. And I don't even know if it's like worth attempting to save. I really liked this carpet. Um, oh yeah, my school yearbook. So just saying, like, I'm sitting in like millimeter of water. So let's just like walk through it because content. Um, it's dry right here. Very nice dry spot. But then it's wet like back here. Like it's soaked back here. And then like right here underneath this fridge, you know, like consumes electricity, my guy. It's nice and soaking wet. Um, I've turned off one power thing. But not every power thing. Oh, did I mention that there's a Pac-Man arcade, the Numbskull? Pac-Man, I forgot I had that. That's just, yeah, fucking hell. Okay, let me relocate the very expensive thing. I forgot how expensive that was. You know, why are you on? Oh fuck. It's gonna try and pump water, isn't it? Fuck. Okay, I need to figure out how to cut power to that guy. You don't need power. Okay, so this thing, it will go and it will sit there. Now that priorities have been set straight, I have to figure out how I'm going to turn off this fucker. Because it's trying to fill the tank again. Um, that thing. It worked! I'm not going to edit this. Yeah, this carpet right here soaked. Oh, fucking hell. I mean, okay, it's only a 1930s radio that was sitting in the water. Fucking hell. Oh, and my subwoofer. Fuck. Hey, the Sony Vaio is fine. That's all that matters. It's actually on the high side of the basement. Um, I think this, because they have one drain in the corner on the other side of this wall. And I think the entire, like, floor is sloped that way. So the thing that's in the way, you know, like a one of a kind item for a future project is sitting in the water. I just thought about that. That's fun. Um, I'm shaking right now. Fuck. Honestly, I wonder if this box is wet. Of course, the fucking this box is dry. Hang on. So, the I think what the original builder of this house made as a nuclear bunker, which is just now a storage room for me, um, is of course completely dry, and that's where I decided to not put. Well, actually, no. Most of my expensive stuff is in there, but oh, this is not fun. This is really not fun. I'm sorry. Oh. Hopefully nothing too expensive is damaged. but I get a feeling that it's still not going to be cheap. Fuck. Well, at least I got a piece of content out of it. That's not what... No. No. Shit. I'll clean it up in like a day tomorrow. I'll do it tomorrow. JK. I have to do it today. Sorry. I hope you learned something. Maybe don't put expensive things near the water guy. Or maybe learn the way that water flows in your basement.